back to my channel. My name is Kimara Lang, and forgive me, I know it's been such a long time since I've made a video, and I apologize. Life happened, and you know when life says do this, if you don't do it, she trips you. So I've been down for a while, but now I'm back up and I'm ready to bring you guys back. And I just realized, you guys, I'm blonde. You haven't seen me in a long time. I am blonde now. My hair is actually straight. I don't think you guys have ever seen my hair straight. I should have made a video about that, but I didn't, and I'm sorry. But regardless, I am back today and I have a DIY project for you, something that I've been thinking about for months. And I wanted to share this with you guys. I should have shared the hair, but you know, whatever, life. So today I'm actually working on a flower wall project for my birthday party. Actually, today is not the flower wall. Today is the flower photo frame that I've decided to make for my birthday party. I want to have a cosplay birthday party. One, because I've never actually got to cosplay before. Two, I've never actually done Halloween. And three, I've never actually had a real birthday party. So I'm getting all those things out of the way with one big party, and because of that I wanted to have these beautiful decorations where people could take pictures and things like that. So the flower wall inspiration came to me, but then I started thinking, wow, you know what would be awesome? A flower photo frame. So let me show you guys what I have. So this is actually a photo frame that I got from Micheals, and I got it in the clearance section. Isn't this beautiful? I'm gonna show you guys the details on this. Super awesome, right? Super beautiful. I got this from Micheals, about $30, because the glass frame was missing and it was an as-is item, but it was perfect. It was all I kind of really needed, right? And this is about a 24 by 64, or actually, don't make me lie, I don't know how big this frame actually is. It's massive, but like I said, and it's heavy. It's got some weight to it too, which was perfect. But yeah, I spent about $30 on this, and I've kind of just been holding on to this piece, and I think that might be why the flower wall came to me, excuse me, the flower photo frame idea came to me. I had this massive frame, and I was like, well, what am I gonna put in it? Flowers. But yeah, so I went to Home Depot. I got some styrofoam, which originally looked like that. It was bigger though, of course, and I had them measure it out to the size of the photo frame. I came home, I cut it, which is why I had to super glue it back together here because I had to cut it to make it fit into the thing. It was weird, but it works, right? And then I spray painted it with some metallic spray paint, just because if ever a flower falls or something, I didn't want people to see purple shining through the original, the after product. The original, the after product. So because I didn't want any of the purple shining through, I thought it'd be nice to spray paint it with some metallic gold. Ta-da! So Home Depot, Micheals. These flowers came from like so many places. These large white flowers actually came from eBay. July right now. And I ordered a lot of these things from Asia, and but they came within a week or 2 weeks. But like I said, life happened, so I wasn't able to actually start my project until today. So, ta-da! But if you can look here, these are bags and bags of flowers. Just bags, 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 making it rain flowers, okay? One thing that I did on accident was I was reading the sizes wrong on some of the flowers initially. So I have super tiny roses here, and then I have like your regular size rose, and in comparison, let's see if you can see some of these here. Don't they look beautiful together? My goodness. But just in comparison, the tiny rose versus the regular size. So that was something that I would recommend you guys to pay attention to, because I did not 2 times, and I ordered 200 flowers each of the small ones. So I have about 600 tiny flowers that I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do with them. Sorry, but I really don't know. So I guess I'm just gonna make more photo frames and maybe just use smaller photo frames, you know? But yeah, I have about 600 small flowers alone. And then I have, of course, so many other flowers. I have hydrangeas, poppies, or baby's breaths. What are these called? What are these? I'm gonna go with baby's breath. I don't know. Anyway, so I have those. And I just have lots and lots of different types of flowers here. Oh my goodness, where are the other ones? Like these. I don't know what these are, but they were a cute color. So far, I've kind of just laid out my white flowers where I think I'd like them to be. And I've begun to put the leaves that came on them back around them. So there'll be some green. You know, I do want some green on my photo frame. And I'm gonna try to record as much as I can for you guys and speed it up, just so you're not sitting here on like a 6-hour video, because I'm assuming this is gonna take a while. It is 10 a.m. now, so we'll see how far I can get by like 12, and I will update you guys. Yeah, so you can fast forward to the end and see the finished product, or you can stick around and hang out with me. All right, guys. Alright guys, almost done. It's 3 o'clock. A little bit more left. I can't wait to see the finished product. Hair is back. Alright, here we go, guys. Alright guys, I finally finished my photo frame and I'm excited to show you the finished product. So here we go. Awesome. And this is exactly what I envisioned. This is exactly what I wanted, and I'm like through the roof because 9 times out of 10 when I make something, it's not how I envisioned it, and I learned to love it. But I really do love this, and I'm excited, and I'm happy it came out how I planned. Actually better. I through the roof, really, seriously, honestly, truly. But yeah, so like I said, I'm gonna do more projects like this, a flower wall very soon, and I'm definitely gonna make more photo frames because like I said before, I ordered 200 of one color and the very small flowers, and I barely went through 50. So I'm gonna make more photo frames and just decorate my whole house in them because this is kind of my new thing right now. I'm obsessed with these flower DIY projects and the walls and the frames. So you guys will see many more YouTube videos of me creating and making those things. If you like this video, please like. If you like this video, blah, 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 please like and subscribe to my channel. And you can check me out on Instagram to catch up on my life and everything. Once again, guys, sorry for being MIA for so long, but I appreciate you guys hanging in there with me. My Instagram is not my gumdrop buttons. All right, guys, thank you. See ya.